Welcome down to the BarnCat shop. Today's project is an electric bass player and amplifier. From a 1/8 inch piece of recycled steel and a cardboard template, I cut out the bass guitar body using the plasma torch. The rough cut body is round and shaped, and here we see it next to the template. The same process is then repeated for the neck and head of the guitar. And here we see it next to the template. The neck is then welded to the body of the guitar. A few other details are added, such as a bridge, pickups, and fretboard. Here we have the finished bass guitar. I start the speaker cabinets with a piece of recycled steel, which I carefully mark, cut, and bend into shape. Here we have two halves of a speaker cabinet. This process is repeated again. On the front of the speaker cabinet, a section is marked and cut out, then cleaned up with a rotary tool. Plates are cut to receive the speakers. Different sized holes are cut for the speakers in the bottom and top cabinets. Circles are cut out to form the speakers. These are shaped and then welded into place. Mesh is then added to simulate speaker grill and to give a more realistic look. Sections are marked and cut out on the back of the cabinets. These will later become the speaker jack plates. And here we have the finished cabinets. A flat piece of steel is cut, bent, and a section has been removed from the front. This will be the front of the amplifier. Another piece is cut, marked, and bent. This will later become the instrument panel. After holes are drilled and the sides are ground down, knobs and switches are welded into place. The same procedure is done for the back of the amplifier. An on-off switch and other details are added. Here we have the amplifier head and two stacked speaker cabinets. The bass player figure starts with these body parts. Using a metal bender, the body takes shape. Here we have the legs, body, head, and the first arm in place. Using the bender again, the second arm is bent and welded into place. Here, a thin flat piece of steel is hammered and shaped. This will become the strap of the bass guitar. Holes are drilled, and the amplifier is then welded to the bass. Here we have the finished figure with bass guitar and amplifier. Next I add a guitar cable from the amp to the guitar, as well as on the back, a power cable and speaker cables. For a little bit of added detail, I've added a red on-off light. Some final polishing and many coats of clear sealer. The figure is finished.